At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an aerospace company can be an exciting but complex endeavor. Here's a general roadmap to get you started. 1. Market research and business plan. Research the aerospace industry thoroughly to understand the market dynamics, competition, and opportunities. Identify potential niches or gaps in the market where your company can add value. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your company's mission, goals, target market, products/services, marketing strategy, financial projections, and growth plan. 2. Legal and regulatory compliance. Consult with legal experts to understand the regulatory requirements for operating an aerospace company, including permits, licenses, and compliance with aviation regulations. Establish appropriate legal structures for your company, such as LLC, corporation, or partnership, considering liability protection and tax implications. 3. Team building. Assemble a team of skilled professionals with expertise in aerospace engineering, manufacturing, operations, finance, marketing, and sales. Hire experienced leaders who can provide strategic guidance and industry knowledge. 4. Research and development. Invest in research and development to innovate and develop new aerospace technologies, products, or services. Collaborate with universities, research institutions, and industry partners to leverage expertise and resources. 5. Prototype development and testing. Build prototypes of your aerospace products or technologies and conduct rigorous testing to ensure safety, reliability, and performance. Obtain necessary certifications and approvals from regulatory authorities. 6. Supply chain management. Establish relationships with suppliers and vendors to source quality materials, components, and equipment for manufacturing. Implement efficient supply chain processes to minimize costs and ensure timely delivery. 7. Manufacturing and production. Set up manufacturing facilities equipped with advanced machinery and tools for aerospace production. Implement quality control measures to maintain high standards of manufacturing excellence. 8. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your aerospace products or services and attract customers. Attend industry conferences, trade shows, and networking events to showcase your offerings and build relationships with potential clients. Utilize digital marketing channels, such as websites, social media, and email campaigns to reach a broader audience. 9. Partnerships and collaborations. Explore opportunities for strategic partnerships, joint ventures, or collaborations with other aerospace companies, government agencies, or research institutions to expand your capabilities and market reach. 10. Scale and growth. Continuously evaluate market trends and customer feedback to refine your products/services and adapt to changing market conditions. Seek investment opportunities to fund expansion plans and accelerate growth. Maintain a focus on innovation and differentiation to stay competitive in the aerospace industry. Starting an aerospace company requires careful planning, significant investment, and dedication, but with the right strategy and execution, it can lead to success in this dynamic and challenging industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.